Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Jason Wehrli with WCFab, and today we have our intake horn and intercooler pipe kit for the 98 to 02 second gen Cummins. All right, so we've had a lot of requests over the years to dive into the second gen Cummins market, and we recently purchased a 2000 Ram 2500 added to the WCFab fleet here. And we quickly got busy to design some new product for the second gen Ram. So we'll start first on the hot side intercooler pipe, also the passenger side known as. And this intercooler pipe is a 3.5-inch pipe replacing the OEM 3-inch unit. And it is designed to work with any drop-in style HX35 turbo on the OEM second gen style exhaust manifold. Now there's a lot of variations in the market with turbochargers and manifolds. We can't guarantee fitment with everything. There's so many different products out there, and not all of them have everything situated in the exact same location as stock. We've designed this intercooler pipe. We know it fits perfectly with an OEM style turbo on an OEM style manifold. There's other ones out there they might fit with. They just might not fit as good as they should with a factory style turbo, factory style manifold. 3.5-inch mandrel bent, 14 gauge aluminum intercooler pipe connects to the outlet of the turbocharger, adapts up to 3.5. And then at the intercooler connection, we have a angled boot from 3.5 to 3 5/8 to match up to that factory style intercooler. And that is a standalone upgrade available as a separate part number, separate from the intake horn and intercooler pipe kit. So moving on from the hot side intercooler pipe, we have our cold side package, which is intake, horn, and intercooler pipe. This intercooler pipe is not available by itself. It is sold as a package only, horn and pipe, because we changed the location of the horn a little bit and made it match with the 3.5-inch pipe for the nicest routing and nicest fitment. So this pipe is not compatible with the OEM horn or other aftermarket intake horns. So sold as a package. Just like the hot side pipe, we've got a 3.5 by 3 5/8 reducer boot for intercooler to intercooler pipe connection. Intercooler pipe, same as the hot side. We've got 14 gauge, 3.5-inch diameter mandrel bent aluminum tubing. And then from the intercooler pipe moving into the horn, we've got a 3.5-inch straight adapter boot. And then we get to the very nice component, very large upgrade over the OEM unit. The factory cast elbow being around 3 inches, neck down to 2.5 in some areas. So this is a massive flow increase over the OEM component with a nice CNC machined flange to feed that air perfectly matched into the grid heater. On the flange, we've incorporated 2 threaded NPT ports for boost connection, water meth, whatever you might want to add. If you don't want to use those, we supply 1/8-inch NPT plugs included. Next to those ports, we have a threaded M8 pole, which allows you to reconnect an OEM wire harness loom to keep the wire harness connected and not just hanging out. On the top of the intake horn, we've got another threaded M8 bung, which allows you to reattach the OEM oil dipstick tube bracket so that that's not hanging out, bouncing all over your new intake horn. We supply a new gasket for connection to the grid heater. If you're using the WCFab grid heater plate, then that comes with O-ring seal on each side, and you will not use that gasket when using the WCFab grid heater plate. Supplied with new stainless steel Allen head hardware to install that intake horn onto the cylinder head. Wraps up the components included in the 3.5-inch intake horn intercooler pipe kit. So lastly, to round off the intercooler pipe and intake horn product line here for the 98 to 02 Cummins is our powder coat finish. We take great pride here at WCFab in our high quality, state-of-the-art in-house powder coat facility. All product manufactured here in-house and powder coated in-house as well. This is our very popular WCFab red color, and we've got many colors in stock on the shelf ready to ship. And if you want to choose any other custom color or special order color, you can select that at checkout with just a little bit extended lead time. So that wraps up our 98 to 02 24 valve second gen Cummins hot side intercooler pipe and cold side intercooler pipe with 3.5-inch high flow intake horn. If you've got any questions about this kit or other product coming for the second gen Cummins, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to our sales team for more information. Thanks a lot for watching.